Okay, this is the excerpt you should be looking at on Tuesday now, in the occasional Oratorio by Handel, and this one's kind of on the level of Soul Excerpts Volume 1. It's like one of the hard ones off of that. So the first one here is still a little on the easy side, and again, it's very related to the scales that we've done before. First things is always that you want to take note of: time signature and key signature, right? So we're in that concert E flat scale. So I'm going to tell you right now that you should play the concert E flat scale, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the concert E flat scale right now for you. You can play along with me, and we're just going to play that scale to get the notes under our fingers. I'm not going to move the screen over in that direction. You should already have it printed out and in front of you. So you just go ahead and do that now. And we're going to play the concert E flat scale. Watch that fourth note. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready. So those are the notes that we're going to be using here. There's no accidentals anywhere on this line, so you know that when you get to that trumpets and clarinets, you get to this note, that's a B flat, right? That's, flutes. You get to this note, trombones, you get to this note, that's an A flat. This is an E flat horn. This is a F natural saxes. All right, you have to be aware of that. But they're all little mini scale patterns. All right, so this one's pretty straightforward. We're still going to count it, and we're still going to finger it, finger through it. But what I want to show you is to make sure that you also pay attention to the style of this piece. So I'm actually going to play a couple of measures from it for you so that you can hear how it should be articulated. All right. So you start off with 3 rests here. This comes in on a pickup to measure 2, really. And that's just how I wrote it. I wrote it with this empty rests here. So it just starts on count 4. All right. So Eastman system, this is 1 and 2 and ready. 4, 1, take 2, take 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, take 2, take 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, take 2, take 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, take 3, 4, take 1, rest, stand, right? It's going to go faster than that when you play it for me. You're going to play, once you've played through it like 4 or 5 times, you're going to go, oh, yeah, no problem, no problem. Because it like this is all the scale pattern stuff that we practice, right? But it's about getting the articulation right. All right, so I'm going to sing through it one time. Da 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 da. Now, notice that these aren't kind of closed staccatos. At the slower tempo, that's not going to sound right. If you play it faster, you're probably going to have to do it clarinets and saxes. Clarinets and saxes, you're going to have to play those closed. But this is kind of like a light feel. Da da ya da 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 da. So it should sound like this. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't all be slurred, and it shouldn't be all super staccato either. It kind of sounds like a robot having a malfunction, right? So it's got to have this kind of light dance feel to it. And notice that all of the 4/8 note patterns have that D da 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 da. D da 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 every single time. Okay, here's the only time that doesn't come in, and that should be legato. You retongue at the beginning of the 8, so it's T T T T T, but this should be T T T T. These aren't lifted right here. Those are legato. Okay, really simple exercise. Probably take you maybe 3 or 4 reps to get it. Then record it on Seesaw, and then when you go to upload it, just write your occasional oratorio on it for me and put it in that second excerpt folder. All right.